In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite your accountant to QuickBooks Online, a process that should take about 5 minutes. Understanding how to give your accountant access to QuickBooks is crucial for seamless financial collaboration and reporting. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the QuickBooks homepage. Once you're there, you'll see a Sign In button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. It's your gateway into the hub of all your accounting needs. Next, after clicking Sign In, select QuickBooks Online from the available options. This selection will direct you to the login page where you can securely enter your credentials. Type in your username and password carefully. Once that's done, hit the Continue button to access your account. Now that you're logged in, you need to head over to the My Accountant section. A quick way to get there is by entering this URL into your browser, qbo.intuit.com/app/my accountant. Alternatively, you can navigate through the QuickBooks menu until you find the My Accountant option. Accessing this section is key because it allows you to manage who has access to your financial data, ensuring you maintain control over your financial information. Once you're in the My Accountant section, you'll see a space to type in your accountant's email address. It's important here to enter the correct email address to ensure that the invitation is sent to the right person. This small step curves any potential technological hiccups down the road. After you've entered their email, you'll notice an invite button nearby. Click on invite and voila, your accountant will receive an email containing an invite code granting them access to your QuickBooks account. This invite code is critical because it acts as a secure way for them to join and manage your account without exposing sensitive details. Finally, and this is a crucial part of the process, reach out to your accountant separately to notify them that you've sent the invite. This heads up ensures they can check their inbox promptly and prevent any delays. Communication here is key. It helps preempt potential confusion and strengthens the collaboration between you and your accountant. And there you have it. In these few short minutes, you've successfully learned how to invite your accountant to QuickBooks Online. This simple yet powerful tool helps streamline your financial conversations and make sure everyone is on the same page. If you need to revisit these steps, feel free to watch this video again until you're comfortable with inviting users to your QuickBooks. Thanks for tuning in and happy bookkeeping.